Welcome to English Quiz by Levels channel. Today we're back with an advanced test about vocabulary quiz. There are 15 quizzes of advanced level. You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Pause the video if you need more time. Answer and explanation are provided after each question. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. The answer is D. Lends. Lends itself to means is suitable for or is appropriate for a particular purpose. Question 2. The answer is C. Value. Fall in value is a common expression that means something is depreciating or losing its worth over time. Question 3. The answer is detain. Detain means to delay someone or keep them from leaving. Question 4. The answer is sit. Sit for. A common expression meaning to take an exam, especially in British English. Question 5. The answer is wrong, in the wrong, to be at fault or to have made a mistake. We can also say he was at fault or he made an error. Question 6. The answer is comply. Though agree pairs with, it doesn't mean to follow rules. Comply with something means to obey a rule, an order, etc. Question 7. The answer is hooked. Hooked on something. To be strongly attracted or addicted to something that is bad for you. Question 8. The answer is contain. Contain something. To prevent something harmful from spreading or getting worse, especially an epidemic. Question 9. The answer is penalized. Be penalized for something. To be subjected to a penalty or punishment for breaking a rule or regulation. Question 10. The answer is sparsely. Sparsely populated is in collocation describing an area with a low population density. Question 11. The answer is tricks. Play tricks on. To deceive, confuse, or cause someone to perceive something incorrectly. It often refers to the mind or senses misleading someone, especially in stressful or unusual situations. Question 12. The answer is make out. Make out. To distinguish, recognize, or see something clearly, especially when it is difficult due to distance or unclear conditions. Question 13. The answer is run. Run through. This is a common expression meaning to spend or use something quickly, often without saving. Question 14. The answer is dint. By dint of, an idiomatic expression meaning through effort or as a result of something, often used with phrases like hard work or determination. Question 15. The answer is credible. Credible means believable or trustworthy, which fits the context of whether the excuse could be believed. That's all for the test today. How many correct answers did you get? Share your score in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to take more fun quizzes in the future. See you next time.